Welcome to the GoPro Cookie Show.
Yes, the GoPro Cookie or Cooking Show. Why are we doing this? We're not abandoning technology. The cookies are really good though, but what'd you just get? You got some new piece of technology. It's a GoPro, what is
Hero
it?
9.
GoPro Hero9. You saved up your money for months. And so this right now, you're looking at this shot from the Sony as we're gathering ingredients. And you'll see interspersed some shots from the GoPro. And we're just going to let the sort of raw audio go. This is just a sort of experimental video. Enjoy. And of course, vanilla extract. Yeah, all right. So we got all the ingredients. Now let's put them together.
Position rack in the center of the oven and preheat the oven till 350. I'll do that right now. Bake.
350.
350.
Start. First, you're going to need to put 2.5 cups of flour in the bowl. Okay. Give another half cup.
Okay, I gotta clean that.
What? Clean what? Oh, we clean it later.
Okay.
2.5
flour.
I know.
Another half.
All right, now we're done with the flour. Next up, baking soda. You need a heaping teaspoon of baking soda. We only have a half teaspoon measure, so dump 2 of those heaping things.
Hey, is my camera dirty?
No, I don't. It looks fine.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, there you go. Half teaspoon of salt. Now, you're supposed to whisk this, but our whisk is dirty, so you could just stir it up with that little teaspoon rapidly or something. Our whisk is in the dishwasher, so you just mix it up. We'll slide out our mixer out of the little kitchen island here, like so. And our paddle mixer gizmo. 2 cups packed light brown sugar. I don't normally know how to pack this. I just get a paper towel and pack it down, but there's probably a better way to do this. All right, that's good, that's good. Here, now pack it down with this. We'll see if we can get the whole, careful with that. All right, it's okay. You make a little mess when you cook, it's no big deal. Yeah, pack that down if you can get it below 2 o'clock.
And it's still below 2.
2 cups, just add a little bit more and just keep packing it down. I don't know. So next, you throw your stick of butter in there. Usually you could just unfold it and it'll drop in there. There you go. Drop that in. Now drop the brown sugar in there. Mom found what?
One time Mom found plastic.
Did you leave plastic in the butter? All right,
that
now,
was only one time. Next,
crank that down and blend it until it's blended on speed number 2
Make
or
sure
something.
to put the lock on.
Yep. We'll let that blend for a second and then we'll add the eggs. Wow.
So, we're gonna do this over the sink.
Make sure you don't get any white stuff in there.
Don't think I got any. Okay, let me wash my hands. Perfect. Oh, what's that?
You have to get it out with a spoon. Yeah, get that out. There you go. Oh. Get it? You got it? 2 eggs in the box. Eggs are put up. 2. Slow down. 1 more.
I'm gonna do it.
Well, it doesn't matter if people see it or not. Oh, that's good. That's good. All right, there you go. So let's hope we have some vanilla left after that. Modified spoon whisk thing. Now we're gonna add the flour mixture in there and blend that up a little bit. So add the flour mixture.
Okay.
Carefully, hang on, see if we can get that in.
Move.
There you go, just add that in there. I'll put this right back. Dump it all in there. There you go. Now this you have to be careful with because otherwise it'll fling flour everywhere. There is a shield you can use. I don't know if that'll help. I usually don't use this shield. Oops, that's that dog in, but why not?
Who wants more cooking videos? Leave a like and comment.
Alright, so anyway, ooh, gotta go slow. How is that still coming out of there? This thing doesn't.
You have to click it down.
Maybe it'll help somewhat. Alright, so you do that and it starts to then you rev it up for a second, turn it off. That's according to the instructions.
One time it exploded in our face.
Yeah, oops, hang on. I don't know if that's the right consistency or not. We'll see. Alright, next, we gotta add the chocolate chips. And then we're pretty much ready to get spooning on there. All right,
so you can use these or these?
Well, we got a little bit of Toll House left over. We'll fill in with Ghirardelli, but we need 1.5 cups. So no. Use the cup measure.
Oh, sorry, I dumped some chocolate.
Oh well, anyway, 1.5 cups. All Yeah. All right, now we just blend this for about 5 seconds. You don't even.
You always got to remember, put that lock on. You're gonna boom.
All right, we got our special scooper deal we use for scooping the cookies. So let's clean this up and get ready to put these on a tray. Oh, so we got our parchment paper out. So now you got to use a little scoop, and I usually do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It might be put that down. All right, so there you go. So basically, you got, yeah, that one's coming apart a little bit, but essentially you got 12 per tray, and you're gonna have 3 trays.
If you do the Magnolia, you might have different ones.
Yeah, it depends on how much you lost in eating and tasting.
And yummy, yum, yum. Let's put these cookies in. Remember, oven mitts, safety first.
You don't need that for putting them in. You really only need that. You really only need that mitt to take them out. Anyway, slide that in there. Now this oven, I don't know how good it is. It's kind of slow. Oh yeah. Go ahead and shut it and run.
Turn it off.
All right, now let's check them out. Let's open them up and check them out. They're looking pretty good. So let's cook a cooling tray. Set it up there. Yeah, that's right. Now grab the other one and stick it in there. Slide it up. Grab that. Slide right. Slide right before you put it into the camera. There you go. Turn it that way. These are not that well done. Sometimes we do them a little bit more well done, but let's see. We're gonna wait about a minute and put them on the cooling rack per the instructions.
I'm doing time.
Go ahead.
Okay, so can I shove these all the way back here?
Yeah. Go ahead. Move them out. Okay, so this makes, what, about 40 cookies. We got 2 things of 12, and here we got 15, and we still probably could squeeze another cookie or 2 out of that, you know, but scrape on the sides. But so it makes about a little over 40 cookies. All right, here. So our cookies are done. They're looking good. One more thing we need is a glass of milk, and what's going on here? We're out of milk. No more milk, so.
Hand me the cap.
What are you doing?
The milk has been terminated.
Well, that's about wraps this video up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time for another awesome video. Bye.